Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your math teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. Please open this book of Oxford New Countdown Book 1. Open page number 22 of this book. First of all, we will have to start an interesting topic, count in tens. I am going to help you how can we solve this topic and how can we solve this page of book. Look at here. First of all, we will have to count how many pencils in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At this time, I have 10 pencils in my hand. I have 10 pencils in my hand. This is one group of 10. At this time, I have one group of 10. It's mean I have 1 10. I have 1 10. Look at here. I am going to add 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have two groups of 10. At this time, 10 is here and 10 pencils are here and 10 pencils are here. This is one group of 10 and this is another group of 10. At this time, we have two groups of 10. We have two groups of 10. At this time, I have 20 pencils and colors in my hand. Two tens are here. One group of 10 is here. Another second group of 10 is here. At this time, we have two groups of 10. 10 and 10, 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. At this time, I have two tens. Let's start our work. Look at question number 2. Count in tens and write in ascending orders. After counting in tens, you can tell to anyone what is tens, what is meaning of tens. So what is meaning of ascending? Before starting this work, I am telling you what is meaning of ascending. Ascending orders mean, ascending order is written here. Ascending order mean you have to arrange number from smallest to largest, smallest to biggest. You will have to arrange number in tens. You will have to arrange number in ascending orders. 10 is here. You will have to add 20. 10 is small. 10 is smallest number and look at here, 20 is larger number. So what will you add? You will have to add 10 more. You can add count in tens. You will have to add in tens. You can use number in line. This is number in line. Numbers are given here. You will have to count by tens. 0, I am adding 10. 10 is here. You will have to 10 more. 20. You will have to 10 more. 30. You will have to add more. 40. You will have to add more. 50. You will have to add more. 60. You will have to add more. 70. You will have to add more. 80 and you will have to add 10, 80. Look at here. This is smallest number and this is biggest number. In ascending orders, you will have to arrange number smallest to largest or biggest number. Like this way, we will add tens. 10 is here. 20. What will come after 20? 30 will come after. I am adding 10 more. We will write here 40. I am adding 10 more. We will write here 50. I am adding 10 more. We will write here 60. I am adding 10 more. We will write here 70. I am adding 10 more. We will write here 80. I am adding 10 more. We will write here 90. Look at and check these numbers. We have to start from smallest number and we have to go till largest number, biggest number. 90 is biggest. So when we have to arrange in ascending orders, we will have to start from smallest to biggest number. You will have to start from smallest to biggest number. Now question number 3 is count in tens and write in descending orders. Descending order is given here. You will have to arrange number in tens in descending orders. You will have to arrange numbers from largest to smallest. Look at here. 90 is largest. I am using number in line again. This will help you to solve this page. This is largest number. Look at here. This is smallest, 80. 90 is here. We will start from 80. Then we will come to 80. Then after 80, we will come 70. After 70, 60. After, look at here, 50, 40. Then we will write 30. Then we will go to 20. Then we will go to 10. And last is 0 here. So when we have to arrange number in descending order, we have to start from, this is here, largest number to smallest number. We will have to start from largest number to smallest number. So we will have to fill question number 3. I am going to help you. 90 is here. You will have to write smaller number, 80. Then we will have to write 70. Then we will have to write 60. Then we will have to write 50. Then we will have to write 40. Then we will have to write 30. Then we will have to write 20. Then we will have to write 10. We will have to arrange numbers in descending orders like this way, biggest to smallest number. Question number 4 is which is greater, which is smaller. Write in empty boxes. One has been done for you. A part is done for you. Now we will start from B. 10 is dash than 20. Look at here. 10 mean 1 is here. 1 10 and this is 10 and this is 1s. This is 10 and this is 1s. First you will have to check 10. 1 10 mean 10. 2 10s mean 20. So 10 is smaller than 20. Next one is 50 is dash then 40. 5 10s mean 50 and 4 10s mean 40. So we can write here 50 is GREATER greater than 40. 80 is dash then 30. 80 8 tenths mean 80. So we will write here greater, GREATER. We will have to compare numbers. 70 is here. Next one is, you can check 70 is here. 70 is greater than 50 and 90 is greater than 70 and 20 is dash then smaller than 40 and 60 is smaller than 70. Look at here. Okay students, you will have to complete this page like this way. If you are feeling any difficulty in doing this page, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.